Cracking the Code, Unraveling Idiomatic Expressions. Hello everyone, and welcome to our new lesson on idiomatic expressions in the English language. Today, we will specifically focus on confirming the meaning of idiomatic expressions. We'll delve into some interesting strategies that can help you understand these expressions, even when you encounter them for the first time. One of the most powerful tools for understanding new idiomatic expressions is the use of context clues. Context clues are hints that an author gives to help define a difficult or unusual word or phrase within a text. These can include examples, synonyms, or explanations of the phrase. For instance, if you come across the phrase, kick the bucket, in a sentence like, "My old car finally kicked the bucket, so I have to buy a new one," you could guess that kick the bucket means something like stopped working or died, based on the context. Once you've made an educated guess about the meaning of an idiomatic expression, it's important to confirm that meaning. Here are some strategies. 1. Cross-check with multiple sentences. Try to find the idiom used in a few different sentences or contexts. If your understanding of the idiom fits well in all the contexts, it's likely correct. 2. Use reliable reference materials. If you're still unsure, consult a reliable idiom dictionary or an online resource. They provide accurate definitions and usage examples of idiomatic expressions. 3. Ask native speakers. If possible, ask a native English speaker. They can help confirm your understanding and provide additional usage contexts. Now, practice is essential. Once you've confirmed the meaning, try to use the idiom in a sentence of your own. The more you practice using idiomatic expressions, the more comfortable you'll become with them. And that's it for today's lesson on confirming the meaning of idiomatic expressions. Remember, the key to understanding idioms is to utilize context clues, cross-check your understanding, use reference materials, and of course, practice as much as you can. I hope this lesson has been helpful, and that you'll be able to apply these strategies when dealing with new idiomatic expressions. Keep practicing and stay curious, and I'll see you in our next lesson.